Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys subscribing and staying tuned to all our future videos. Like I said in the last video, we are going to be doing more video content. Please leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see. Today, I'm going to just kind of go through some stuff that's in the upcoming in the future, kind of give you a glimpse of this install that we're doing on this APR splitter here. So this is Charles' car. We'll put his Instagram right here. And we're going to show you guys a little bit of details, talk about the rods. This is where Caleb's going to come in. He's going to show you some stuff on the full detail of the install, but that's coming up in a future video. We'll put a link up here. We did a horn replacement. So a lot of people complain about the weak horn. Thanks BMW for giving that to us, but I'm going to show you guys what Caleb already did. We kind of surprised Charles with this, so let's go over and check it out. All right guys, so we're in the front of the car. As you saw, the bumper's off. While we had this apart, we wanted to test fit a horn replacement. This is what we did. We got this on Amazon or eBay. I don't remember what. We did see another guy do the video. We did some research. We also saw recently there was one available from Pia. If we have any of these available and we can help the community, we'll add this to the website. Okay, so this is the product right here. Okay, so this is your OEM horn, turbo looking bugle thing. And basically it's held in by this bolt. The new replacement one, and we'll get some B-roll and show you up in here. It's really easy. It mounts in the same location. What we did is we grounded it to the crash bar and we tapped into the power wire. This is all what Caleb did earlier today. And we can give you guys some little video clips. We'll get the car down. We'll add them at the end of this video and let you see the difference between these two. We actually just posted something on our Instagram as well, so you can always keep track of that on our social media channels. And I'll put a link to that below here. All right, guys, another exciting thing that we have coming up, we are going to be installing the REXPEED V3 kit on Stephanie's car. We can put her Instagram right here below. This is a forged matte carbon fiber version. This was a special request by her. This is going to look really sick on her A91 Supra. All right, guys, we're going to end this video up, but what we're going to do is we're going to lower this car down. And we're going to do a horn comparison like we said earlier. Basically, we're going to use the 4-cylinder Supra and Charles' Supra. The Charles' Supra doesn't have the bumper on it, so it's going to be a little louder. But Caleb, who you guys see over there, you've seen in our other videos when we just did the Tomei, he's going to honk one of the horns, I'll honk the other, and we'll get it on film for you. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned.